Now I am going to explain you how to find the angle between two lines if their slopes are given. Say for example, there are two lines. One of the line is L1, next is L2. These lines are intersecting at a point O, then one of the angle is theta. I am taking a condition that if slope of first line is m1 and slope of the second line is m2. If L1 having a slope m1, L2 is having the slope m2, then the angle between these two lines is given by mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. So very important result after understanding what is the slope in case when the angle theta is given. Slope is the value of tangent in the tangent of the positive angle with the x-axis. If two lines intersecting each other having the slope m1 and m2, then the formula for getting the angle between them is m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 with their mod. This is the positive angle, and suppose this angle is 60, then the another angle will be 120 degree. Because it is 60, then because of linear pair, remaining will be what? 120. So with the help of this result, we will find the positive angle. If two lines are parallel, question is, if two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then you always remember their slopes will be equal, or converse of it. If slopes of two or more lines are equal, then lines are always parallel. Next condition, if two lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, it means what? The product of their slopes has to be minus 1. So remember, there are three important formulae, conclusions. First, tan theta is mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Angle between two lines. Condition for two or more lines to be parallel, their slopes are equal. And condition for two lines to be perpendicular is m1 into m2 is equals to minus 1.